7 years ago, I met my baby, my wife, and I knew right away we're going to get married. And at that time, she was taking birth control pills. She stopped because we knew we were going to have a family, and her period never came back. She went through 4 MDs, no answer. At the time, I was coaching a guy named Dr. Chris Zano. How many of you know Chris Zano? Heard? Amazing guy. Love Chris, my brother. And he said, dude, you and your wife gotta go to see a chiropractor. So we went to see a chiropractor, amazing guy, Dr. Ryan Hummel. And we sit down, took x-rays, and this is my wife's x-ray. By the way, I have the permission to share. Right? Subluxation in the neck, subluxation lower back, and we started care. And we both felt like amazing. We don't get sick anymore. And I remember 3 Christmas ago, December 24th in the morning, I'm in San Francisco, drink coffee, me, my mom, her mom, she's sleeping. Then all of a sudden, she wakes up, goes to the bathroom, comes back crying, bawling. And I'm like, what happened? What happened? She couldn't talk. She's like, hup, hup, hup. What happened? She goes, I just got my period. And I'm like, are you sure? She goes, I'm sure. After 4 years. And then, throughout all the speakers, chiropractic speakers, we learn how amazing chiropractic is for pregnancy. All right? How amazing it is for everything. And I was speaking at the Michigan Chiropractic Association. Right after my talk, she came to me and said, I have great news, you're pregnant. And my wife had this amazing, can you guys say amazing? Pregnancy. She was adjusted 3 times a week, the whole period. Because we learned that chiropractic was awesome for pregnancy. Throughout all this influence, our best friends now are chiropractors. And you learn about natural birth. And my wife goes, we gotta have a natural birth. It's okay. We found a birth center in San Diego. By the way, has anybody seen or been part of a natural birth? Yes or no? Ladies, you're the most powerful human beings ever. Ever. And guys, if you don't agree with me, go see one. My wife is a hero. 22 hours natural labor. Amazing. And on August 2nd, baby Sophia Elizabeth Monaco was born. And I took this picture maybe 45 minutes after someone took for me. And that was like, my life changed at the moment. And we had 2 midwives. They're coming all the time to check on the baby. And they said, look, your baby has experienced some breathing issues. And if it doesn't get better, we got to send you to the hospital. And I said, what's going to happen? Well, antibiotics, they have the procedure, a couple days there. And I paused and I'm like, man, for the last 4 years, chiropractic lifestyle, chiropractic, getting adjusted, nutrition, detox, natural birth. The last thing I want to hear is, you got to go to the hospital now. I'm trying to avoid that. Now, as a dad, I'll do it to save my baby's lives. But I didn't want to. And I never forget, 5 a.m., I said, let's call Dr. Ryan Hummel, our chiropractor in San Diego. And I text him, hey buddy, can you please come here to adjust our baby? He goes, I was waiting for that call. And as you can see the picture, there's a little machine attached to baby Sophia to measure her oxygen levels. And I never forget this. Dr. Ryan put baby Sophia in the bed. He goes, okay, her heart was born. Adjust once. Waited 3 minutes. Adjust twice. She goes, here's your baby. My wife grabbed baby Sophia, and she goes, "Rah!" Threw up a liquid that was stuck in her lungs that was preventing her from breathing. Dr. Ryan, a grown-up man, looked at me crying, tears from his eyes, and said, "Did you see the power of the innate intelligence?" And I'm like, holy shit. Right? He goes, he had to work, and I'm like so excited. Within 5-10 minutes, her oxygen levels normalized, and the 2 midwives, nurses came to the room and say, "What happened?" Well, my chiropractor came in, adjusted her atlas bone, she threw up, now she's fine. But no, what really happened? Tell me. My chiropractor came in, adjusted her atlas bone, she threw up, and she's fine. They look at me like, are you weird? Well, okay. Here's what's great. August 3rd at 10 a.m. Sophia did not go to the hospital. She went back home with us. Two days later, my baby angel is sleeping. I got my phone and I took this picture. Click. And I'm thinking in my room, man, if it weren't for chiropractic, I would be in a hospital right now. And then I stop and I start thinking, in the birth center, where you had our natural birth, you had to take an 8-week class. And you had 10 couples. Only one couple out of 10 in a natural birth in San Diego were under chiropractic care, which was us. For me, that's not cool. And I hope that for each one of you, it's not cool either. So my identity, yes, I'm a father, I'm a husband, a brother, I'm a speaker, I'm a storyteller, but I am also a chiropractic advocate. And I hope that you, each one of you, become an advocate for chiropractic.